In this video, I will show you how to fix headphones not working in Windows 11. If your headphones are not working on Windows 11, don't worry. There are several fixes you can try. So the first thing you can do is to go ahead and open settings on your Windows device. So you can do that by clicking WinI on your keyboard. Now on your settings, you'll need to head over into the devices tab. And in here, go ahead and head over into the Bluetooth and other devices section. Ensure your headphones are properly plugged in or connected via Bluetooth. Now, another thing that you'll need to make sure is that you have set it as your default device. So head over into the system settings, and in here head over into the sound section. Now make sure that you set this output into your headphones as the default output device. Now the last thing that you'll need to make sure is to unmute and adjust volume. So click on the speaker icon and then make sure that you have this unmuted, since the reason can be due to muted volume on your PC or laptop, and that's basically how you can fix headphones not working in Windows 11. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe into the channel to keep updated with our latest videos.